Okay, hi guys and welcome to part 2 of my devlog series for my CodeHint project. I started developing this plugin a while back and decided to try to improve it and make an update video. First, what is CodeHint? Well, it is a plugin I developed for neovim. The main goal of this project is to make the programmer experience easier. CodeHint works by scanning the source code file for bugs and then suggesting hints on how to fix them using ChatGPT. Okay, so how does it work? You have to open the source code file that you are interested in, then press the key combination or call the hint function, and then you should get the diagnostics for the possible bugs in your code. The installation process and setup haven't changed that much. The API is still the same. You make a call to the hint function and it will provide you with the hints for the bugs in your code. The first time you will open neovim with the plugin installed, it will ask you for an OpenAI API key. You can make one on their website. The only downside is that it is a paid service. However, during my testing on a large dataset, the costs were under $1. The plugin uses the Chat API to generate the hints. This means that both GPT-4 and ChatGPT are available. You can change which one you use in the setup. You could also change the URL to the API to something other than OpenAI if you want to use open source alternatives. I have also tried to build a prompt that uses chain of thought. If you want to know more about it, you can comment down below. And finally, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and found out something new. And I guess that if you are using neovim, you might already know how to install packages, so you can try this one out. And yeah, see you guys next time.